roof installation day, there are several easy steps you can take to ensure the process runs smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through some of these for you to know exactly what to expect on your roof installation day. Number 1. Your roofing contractor arrives on the scheduled day. When your roofing contractor arrives, he or she will give you a brief overview of the process and confirm the condition of the roof from when they inspected it before. Your professional roofing contractor takes extra precautions to protect your property during a roof replacement. This includes covering landscaping, pool, doors, windows, garage, driveway, and walkway with tarps to stop debris from falling into them. If you have any concerns about the work, be sure to voice them before the work begins. Number 2. The new roof is installed where needed. With all equipment and materials set and your old roof stripped off, contractors lay down new roofing materials. Flashing, trim, gutters, and downspouts are installed by the roofer. To finish off the look of your new roof, they may also paint the vents and pipes. Number 3. Schedule regular inspections. Once the roof installation is complete and a run-through inspection is done, the roofer will stand behind their work and the shingle manufacturer will provide a warranty. It's recommended to have an inspection done at least once a year, and frequently more so if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions. To ensure a smooth installation process for your roof, hire a professional roofing contractor from Sure Thing Roofing Contractor.